Hello everyone, Thomas Callow, Pinnacle Luxury Homes Group, your expert in real estate in the Greater Victoria marketplace. 3 home buying tips here for you today to help you find that perfect home. Number 1, you must be pre-approved. Number 2, establish a needs and wants list. And number 3, find the right agent for you. Number 1, you must be pre-approved. Now more than ever, inventory is very tight. Homes are going fast. It's very important to get pre-approved with a quality and great mortgage broker to ensure that you know what your budget is, what price point you want to target, the money needed for your initial investment and closing costs. And when we're making an offer and we might be competing, we can only have 3 to 4 days of conditions opposed to 2 weeks like a non-pre-approved buyer. And you can beat out that other buyer because you did your homework ahead of time and got your pre-approval done. Number 2, establish a needs and want list. Make a list of 10 things you need and want in a home. Rank them from 1 to 5, 5 being the most important. 5 and 4s will be a need, and 1s and 2s will be a want. You might find a home that checks 7 out of 10 of those things, and it might be something as simple as you wanted a fully fenced yard. Maybe we can get a quote on a home that you like everything else but didn't have a fenced yard. We could get that quote from a fencing company to figure out what that additional cost would be, and we could work it into our purchase price of that home. Now more than ever, needs versus want list would make a big difference in purchasing a home for you and trying to find you that dream home. The third thing is find the right real estate agent for you. Is your agent knowledgeable to marketplace? Are they selling 1 to 2 homes a year, or are they selling 30 to 40 homes a year? Very important to know exactly the value of a home. Is that house overpriced? Is that house underpriced? Or is that house priced well? Having a knowledgeable agent can help you answer that question and make sure that you're paying the right amount of money for that dream home. Number 2, has a proven track record of helping clients. Now with technology, go on Google, check out the Google reviews, check out rankmyagent.com. Do they have positive client reviews on their website? Are they familiar with the area that you want to live in? Very important. You want an agent that's knowledgeable with that marketplace and the area that you're looking to purchase your home in. And lastly, do they have expert negotiation skills? Are they going to ensure that you save the most amount of money on your purchase and negotiate you the best terms and conditions of that offer? If you have any questions about buying a home in today's real estate market, feel free to drop me a line below, ask me a question, or give me a call, or even check out our website at pinnacleluxuryhomes.com. Thomas Callow, your expert in real estate in the Greater Victoria marketplace.